Greetings! So today I am doing what we would say just footering about, doing a few different bits and bobs, one of which is going to be revealing our Autobeam Sequential Light Upgrade competition winner, so make sure you stay tuned to see if you are the winner. Alright, so one of the things that I'm doing then today is I'm finishing off a few wiring looms I'm making for some customers. I have had some interest in these, which is really cool, so I'm making them. I've got a few here to do. So yeah, evidently I've done most of the work already. I started these last night. I just need to wrap these with the loom tape and then they will be good to go. So this is the final product, all wrapped up, looking absolutely lovely. So this can now be sent out along with some little clip things to hold it into the boot space. So yeah, if you want one of these, let me know and I will hook you up. Alright, so the next thing I'm doing is installing these. These are from Autobeam. They are reverse light upgrade for the MK3 Focus, and they are going to be installed on this grey Z-Tech S MK3 Focus, the owner of whom said that they wish they had some brighter reverse lights, so I'm going to hook them up. I don't necessarily need to go through the whole process. I do have a video on this which I will link in the description box below, but basically we're changing our reverse signal in here. So to do that we need to pop off, we need to pop off this little door, unscrew the retaining screw thing that's in there, also the same for the one that's up there in that open space, pop off our housing, change our bulbs over and then put it all back together. There we go, quick, easy, looking great. Now the third task that I'm going to do is some decals on my car. Alright, sweet, now that we have those decals on, it's time to pick the competition winner, so good luck to all. Okay, so we're going to pick the winner at random, and I'm going to use this website, pickawinner.co, and they have this YouTube random comment picker. So we paste the link to the video in here, hit fetch, don't need a filter, just anything goes. Loading up all the comments, and then we just have to pick a winner, and it will tell us who has won the Autobeam Sequential Indicator Units. And the winner is James Bailey, and it says, another great video, these would look mint on my 27 ST Focus. There you go, I'll just get you a closer look at that. There we go, as you can see, the winner is James Bailey, and that's his comment. Big congratulations to James Bailey, you have won the sequentials. I will be getting in touch with you to get your details, and then we'll get you hooked up with your new sequential indicator units. Well, there we go, congratulations to the winner of the Autobeam competition. I'm sure you'll absolutely love your prize. Thank you to everyone who took part, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more content to come very, very soon. Thank you once again, goodbye.